lovely lace makers, Louise here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the third lace along, which is to make the diamond reflections. This is a 3D pattern which you make flat and then you add little ribbon bows and it creates a 3D effect. For this pattern I've created a lace along which over 4 weeks will guide you step by step through making your own diamond reflections. The pattern requires a DMC coordinate 70 or equivalent, gold rush, 3mm beads, 3mm ribbon and a lovely little sparkly bit for the centre. The pattern is worked flat and then you create the 3D effect with these little ribbon bows. The beauty of this project is that if you want to store it, all you need to do is take out the little ribbon bows, store it flat, and then when you want to recreate the 3D effect, pop the little ribbon bows back in. Through the lace along, you will learn to create a different rose ground, half-stitch spiders with beads in them, and a Russian gimp, which will allow you to create the coloured gimp on both sides of your lace. In the first video, I will show you how to add the pairs and start the lace. And then the second video will go into creating the main part of the lace. The third video will be how to turn the corners, and in the final video you will be shown how to join your threads into the start and then to do a brush finish, stiffen it, and then to create the 3D effect. Throughout the videos you will have a view of the lace pillow with the bobbins and how they move, together with a close-up of the threads. The pattern is available and comes with full instructions, so if you don't want to join me on the lace along, you can make it yourself at home. I hope you can join me on this lace along, and if you would like to join me, like, comment and subscribe to the channel so you get regular updates when each video is released. So grab your bobbins, wind your thread and join me in the first video.